Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well in this pandemic situation. Today, me and my team are here again to present you the solution of the problem topic that we have discussed in our previous video. So, today we are going to deal with the solution faced during the traffic jams and solution of the road accidents and how to overcome through the such problems. Without wasting so much time, I would like to invite my team members to present on today's topic.
Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss why public transportations are important and efficient. First of all, we are going to discuss on solutions of traffic congestions. As we have discussed, it is really frustrating and even worse being trapped in your car, knowing that there is nothing you can do and that you are going to be late for your work. Such traffic can also be caused due to road construction or car accident. For such congestions as this usually occur on major roads that many people use in their everyday life to go to school or work. First, the best way to solve traffic jam is by using public transportation, which will be efficient, economic and reliable. A bus is a very efficient way to move lots of people from one place to another using one vehicle instead of having one vehicle per person. Buses take many cars off the roads as people travel together in a single vehicle. Similarly, trains and metros are even more efficient at reducing the number of cars off the roads because trains have their own dedicated rails system to get their people around. All the cars are eliminated without adding more traffic to the road. Not only buses and trains are more efficient at carrying passengers, but time spent on the car or a bus is more efficient for the passengers if used in a proper way. This encourages more people to use public transportation. Yes, it is easy to see how efficient public transportation is and the impact that it has on reducing the traffic.
Now, we will discuss why public transportation is the best solution to traffic jams. People shall use public transportation instead of driving their own car, which can save money as well much of petroleum products used to run the vehicles. It is so economical, especially for people who use it often like students, senior citizens, gets more benefits and efficient to roam around the town or city. Using public transportation also eliminates the need to pay for parking, car insurance and maintenance. Also, by using public transportation, petrol, diesel and various petroleum products can be saved as this reduces the number of vehicles roaming on roads.
Now we will discuss why and how this solution is more reliable for people around us. Many people set up carpools to reduce traffic, but this is only a temporary solution. Every time someone has a change in their schedule, the carpool needs to be adjusted. For example, if someone has to go to the doctor or sleeps in, then carpool will not work that day. If someone changes job or school or colleges, then the carpool will need to be adjusted again. Now, you guys might be thinking that what is this carpool? Then carpool is nothing a great concept but just a temporary solution for a group of people that travel together to work. Usually cars are owned by the people in the group. So public transport in the other hand is more reliable as the buses and trains have a scheduled time which is fixed and people can plan on them.
And last but not the least, people find that public transport is reliable and efficient, which help in limiting the number of cars on the road. This can also help emergency services like ambulance, fire brigade, which usually get stuck on the such traffic jam, which is a major problem to the human life. One of the best way to solve the traffic jam is by using public transportation, which will be efficient economically for each and every person. It will be a joint effort by citizen and government to bring change in the traffic problem. So, cities and government should consider ways to improve their public transportation system and encourage more people to use of it. Living with congestion is not a solution to our problem, but at present an unavoidable circumstance. Hence, we all can work in this way to solve the big threat of the current time.
Block driving. Driving our vehicles with constant speed and with maintaining proper buffer distance from the other vehicles would help in constant movement of traffic. As if a vehicle ahead of one applies brakes, the driver would have ample amount of time to slow down its vehicle due to the buffer distance between them. And also, the braking tension between these vehicles does not pass to the next vehicle behind it. This is the technique used in Belgium and Netherlands when there is a high volume of traffic and chain of cars move in constant speed in this situation. So, always drive at a constant speed and with proper buffer distance maintained, which will in turn help in reducing our travel time by reducing the traffic.
In present day times, the number of vehicles has increased drastically, but in contrast, the capabilities of our roads and transportation systems still remain underdeveloped, and this leads to traffic congestion, road accidents, increase in pollution levels. But now, with the emergence of advanced technology and Internet of Things, we can create a platform which addresses these traffic-related concerns, and this leads to the emergence of ITMS, Intelligent Traffic Management Systems. It helps to maximize traffic flow by reducing the average waiting queue at the traffic signals using dynamic traffic density data from the installed sensors. By using ITMS, we can reduce unnecessary awaiting time at the signals. It helps emergency vehicles reach their destination faster by making way for them by altering signals in their route dynamically. It can save fuel by making vehicles idle for a shorter period of time at the signals and thus help for a greener city. During emergency conditions, a routine algorithm will run at the cloud and make changes to the traffic lights for emergency vehicles at all signals and make the respective lane a green corridor, and thus leading to reduction in pollution also. And it is very effective solution for traffic congestion and is very easy to install practically and economically.
So till now we have discussed about the solution of traffic congestion. Now let's start our conversation about the solution which help us to reduce road accidents. First one, with use of V2V and V2I technology. V2V and V2I stands for vehicle to vehicle and vehicle to information communication. This technology works through sensors that gather data about the other cars around you, much like a conversation in a cell phone connected to wireless network. V2V technology can also be integrated with crash avoidance system. In addition to notifying the driver, it could also automatically apply the brakes or steer away with this technology. We cannot only reduce accident but also help in mobility of vehicle because it gather data around us and tell us about where is heavy traffic and where not.
Lane Departure Warning System. Lane Departure Warning System is also called LDW system. It is a system to scan the road to determine where the lane markers are. If the car drifts over these marks, the system let the driver know by beeping and displaying a warning message on the dashboard. The lane departure warning system uses a camera which is located near the rear view mirror to recognize a lane markers. In addition to the camera, it will gently turn the steering wheel to keep your vehicle between the left and the right lane. By gently steering your vehicle in opposite direction of lane boundary, this system is well designed to minimize the accident by addressing the main causes of collision such as drive error, distraction and the drowsiness. This system is well developed, which will play a vital role as a solution to minimize the road accident.
The rapid growth of technology and infrastructure has made our lives easier. The advantage of technology has also increased the traffic hazards, and the road accidents take place frequently, which causes huge loss of life and property because of the poor emergency facilities. These road accident deaths often occur due to poor emergency response at appropriate time. So, an automatic electronic cell with GPS system is to be proposed to track vehicles and help reduce these road accidents. Now, you might be thinking how it helps. The ability to accurately detect a vehicle's location and its status is the main goal of this system. This system can detect accidents in significantly less time and sends the basic information to the rescue agency within a few seconds, covering the location in which a vehicle accident had occurred, and they reach to the location where accident occurs and are able to provide immediate emergency services, which helps in saving many of the valuable lives. It is a comprehensive and effective solution to the poor rescue response in case of accidents, and it has helped in decreasing these road casualties.
The Donegal County Council of Ireland created a VR initiative called Your Life, Your Choice. It educates the young drivers for the age of 16 to 25. The virtual simulation shows students some of the common mistakes of young drivers that could lead to the fatal accidents, and it unfolds the perspective of a passenger. Class VR is another powerful virtual solution for promoting traffic solutions. By the program, trainers can manage multiple virtual reality headsets. They can easily activate immersive and educational driving experiences with one click of a button. Trainers deliver messages to a larger audience in a more efficient manner. Uses of VR. The VR machines are capable of evaluating their estimation of the speed of vehicle and their knee-jerk reaction to an emergency. The self-testing system composed of physical and mental testing thoughts.
So let's discuss the solutions to avoid an accident. If you follow these common sense steps, you will be taking the most important steps to ensuring you avoid an accident. So first solution is always wear your safety belt. Get into the habit of wearing a safety belt whenever you are in a car, whether as a driver or a passenger, no exceptions. Second, underage drinking and drug use is illegal. Even you have consumed only one drink or smoked one joint, there is a chemical effect on your brain that can impair judgment and reaction time. Driving under the influence of alcohol, etc. Third, limit your passengers. The risk of fatal crash increases with every additional passengers. When you are a new driver, it is best to limit your number of passengers. Fourth, limit your night driving. The risk of a fatal crash is 3 times higher at night than in the day of every mile driven. It's better to avoid nighttime driving until you are comfortable driving during the day. Fifth, safety and wearing signs. The city road and highway have a great number of automobiles plying, and it is very much advisable to have a number of road signs put up to warn and alert the drivers.
So that's all for today's video. Stay home, stay safe, keep following COVID appropriate behavior, maintaining social distance, wear mask and keep sanitizing your hand, and get vaccinated as soon as possible. Thanks for watching our video and loving us. If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up and share among your friends and family, and please fill the Google form given in the description box. Your feedback is valuable for us.